Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, Solana followed our wave count here for the high B wave, and our trend reversal area was basically successfully triggered and the price reversed where it needed to, which was here the orange support box. As I said, below $53, it could have sent us down more directly, but until then, as long as the $53 level holds, yeah, we would be watching for this particular pattern of a high B wave correction. So we talked about it here, 3 waves in this A wave, which is the first wave of a correction. Then the ideal scenario would be 3 waves in a B wave. And you will remember that I said that whenever we have an A wave, which is a 3-wave move, we at least have to prepare for a high B wave. So when the A wave is a 3-wave move, the B wave is normally more aggressive. So, we'll see. We're not there yet. Absolutely not. There's still a bit of room to go. But what I can tell you is that so far our 2 trend reversal areas here did hold. So the next one and this one is now being triggered. So let me zoom in. The idea was that if we are really in a B wave, that this could have been a small A wave, this moved down a B, and we now broke above this swing high, which was at around $60. That confirmed that we are in the C wave. I shared earlier today a possible micro count and explained that, within the C wave of the larger B wave, we might have done a small 1-2 setup, then here another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 waves up in wave 3. It also reached enough or sufficient fib extensions. Then we have a wave 4 to the downside. Here the commentary was that, that's okay, that we need to hold the $57.70 level, at least avoid a sustained break below that level. So we have here Fibonacci support at 58.64 and 57.70. In addition to that, can you see the trend line here? So we broke out of this pattern, and we might now come down to retest it and could then get this 5th wave rally to the upside into the red resistance zone, which is so relevant for this B wave. What I'm thinking about, did we get rejected somewhere? Yes, here at the previous swing high. That's resistance, but also probably the 61.8 retracement, right? Let's see, at $61.30. Yeah, got rejected at the golden ratio. So just keep that in mind. That's the level we need to break above next as well to get to the $64.30 level next, which is a key resistance level for a B wave anyway. So bottom line is we can move higher as long as we're holding here the $57.70 level. I mean, it can even move higher if we break that. It's just that, is it then still, is it still a pattern that we can sort of trust? At the moment, it seems like that this C wave is unfolding as as an impulse. And because it's unfolding as an impulse, it was also quite aggressive today. And because of that, it seems to be respecting here these Fibonacci levels. So let's see if it turns around here as well in this box. If it's an impulse really, then one more high is missing anyway. At least it seems likely that one more high is needed to form 5 waves in wave C to complete this pattern. And then it should also react at the latest to the 50% retracement level there. And looking at the bigger picture, I mean, that's really just currently what we talked about in the last few days, that after wave 3 topped here on the 16th of November, the price came down in an A wave. Yeah, this looks a bit like an incomplete B wave so far. So it could still stretch a little higher. And then we come down in wave C. As soon as I see evidence that we're coming down in wave C of whatever that is, larger A or 4, then I let you know. Remember that we said, okay, if we topped here in wave 3, then we are likely in the next deeper pullback, which looks corrective, by the way. So that's good. We don't want an impulse down. We want a correction down. If we get a correction down and this wave 4 is playing out, And where exactly that wave 4 will end, we will determine along the way. Then at least in the wave 4, there is a good chance we're holding the larger degree support for this fourth wave, which would then still result in a fifth wave rally later. Okay, we are in an overall larger price channel. We have 3 waves up of the June low, 1, 2, 3. A wave 4 and 5 is still missing to complete the pattern, and would be ideal to fill these in. Okay, and possible targets then in the end for wave 5 are $79.50, $93, $113. But first of all, we need to complete this wave 4 correction. Yeah, we just want to give you a quick update here. Not much happened, just a little bit of volatility. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.